Simplify the expression. We have 2x minus 10 over x squared minus 25. Now, what we do not want to start off doing is trying to cross out this right here, what you see me doing. You try to cross this out and then make some kind of way that you would try to simplify this. Well, that's incorrect. We have a rational expression, and the rule says that we want to, when we simplify a rational expression, we want to factor the numerator and denominator completely, and then we want to reduce. Let's go back to what we did in the previous chapter. Factor. Is there a GCF? If so, factor it out. Tell me the number of terms you have left and the number of terms that you have left over. If it's 2, 3, or 4, what method will you use? Is it difference of two squares? Is it the sum and difference of cubes? Is it a perfect square trinomial? Or is it trial and error? Or will you use factor by grouping? So look at your numerator. We have here 2x minus 10. Is there a GCF that can be factored out? Yes, we have a 2. We're going to factor out the 2. Tell me what is left over. Well, we have x minus 5. There's nothing that we can do there for x minus 5. So we're done. We factored out the GCF. You told me what's left over. Now look at your denominator. Okay. Is there a GCF that can be factored out? If not, okay, how many terms do you see? Okay. Well, the number of terms that we see, we have 2 terms. This is a square, so we're going to use the difference of 2 squares. X and x for the first term, 5 and 5 for the last term, and we have opposite signs. So next, at this point, we want to divide out factors that's common to the numerator and denominator. Now it's factor. What you see here that's the same is the x minus 5. That's what we want to divide out. Those are common factors that we're going to divide out. Okay? So, divide all pairs that's common to the numerator and denominator, where we have the x minus 5s that we can divide out. Then what do we have remaining? 2 over x plus 5.